In this lesson, we're going to review how to use the Object Browser in VBA. The typical use case of the Object Browser is for searching all the elements of VBA. It's an extensive library resource encompassing all possible objects in the VBA. It has other elements as well, which we'll look at as we progress through the course. The Object Browser is therefore extremely useful as a tool when it comes to VBA. It has a library of thousands of VBA objects that you can use in your coding. The Object Browser helps the user to find the relevant VBA object and then search for it to use. Now let's discuss a little about the concept of objects in VBA. VBA has many objects and you're not expected to remember them all. You need to know how to look for all the relevant objects and to be able to use them in your VBA coding. To understand objects, you need to understand that VBA programming as a code needs to categorize objects so that it can recognize those objects separately and then perform programming operations on them. Therefore, when you go to the Project Explorer in your VBA, you'll notice that under the VBA project file name, you'll find the expandable folder named Microsoft Excel Objects. It always contains an object name, this workbook, which refers to the current workbook open. If you have multiple VBA project files open, every file name will have this workbook option enabled. Apart from that, you'll see the sheets of the workbook listed as separate objects. You can right-click on the object listed in the Project Explorer and view the various options available. If you click on the View Object, you'll be taken to that object. For example, if you right-click on a specific sheet object, you'll be directed to that sheet if you right-click and then press View Object. You can navigate the Object Browser by going to View tab and then select Object Browser option or press the F2 key. The Object Browser window will now be opened. Here you'll see a lot of items listed and will be overwhelmed by how many there are. Please don't be alarmed with the type of content listed in this library. It's a comprehensive library and you're not expected to know all of the details. To make things easier, Microsoft Help function is the best resource when it comes to VBA. It has a vast library that encompasses almost all VBA elements. Once you've completed the VBA course and understand each topic clearly, you can access these libraries to refresh your knowledge. If you're in the Object Browser and want help on any object, you can simply right-click on it and click Help. In older versions of Office, you had the option to have the Help function saved into your Microsoft applications, so you didn't need to connect to the internet. In the current versions of Microsoft Office, you can access only the Microsoft Help function online, so you'll need an internet connection to access the Help function. We selected the Help function for Active Cell, and it opened for us the link with related references and guidance. This is extremely useful so that you understand how to use these once you learn the programming methods. So this was the introduction to the Object Browser. In later advanced lessons, we'll describe the elements of the Object Browser in detail and the concepts behind it. For now, you should try to look at the different options available in the Object Browser and navigate to the Help function and also browse the website to make yourself accustomed to how the related reference material is structured. This will give you a detailed overview, even though you'll not understand everything in detail, but you'll be able to recall them and start to relate to them once you progress through the course. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.